Hey guys, I stayed here last night. I don't know why my battery's dead. Charged it. Hey guys, I do know that the horseshoe tends to run through a lot of private property here. A lot of do not enter, do not trespass. I'm beginning to think that these trail people don't really care about these no trespassing signs. I don't know nothing about it. If anybody can notify me, comment down below. Feel free. Now, I could do this for over 60 miles. This is nothing. But of course, this is not walking on the road. This is horseshoe trail. And I'm kind of happy that I'm committed to showing you the trail. Even though this has probably been shown over like what, 100 times? But hey friends, I haven't really gotten that far because I'm being lazy right now. Oh shit, sorry. I'm stumbling like a crackhead on drugs. These rocks are terrible. I don't know why I just said that, because crackheads are on drugs, because they are. That's what they call them, I guess. But anyway, the trail passes through a little fine restaurant called Pretzel Hut. Man, you guys should check that out. They got a petting zoo. And I think we eat those animals that we... Well guys, my 2 weeks are up. Even though I don't have a job, but I like to stick to a program or schedule that I can create on my own. And unfortunately, I did not complete the horseshoe trail. Sorry for failing that, but on a brighter side, when I get to my brother's, I'm gonna probably do some backyard camping for you guys, and do some vloggings for you guys. And my dog over there is crapping. So my plan for now is to hitch back home. And I am currently an hour and 14 minutes from home. And I've been stuck here since yesterday around 5:30 in Ephrata, Pennsylvania. So I'm gonna try to find us a spot to really hitch out. Yeah. So I'll probably get to do some vloggings, and then come back to the playlist of all trail things, and do some backyard camping, whatnot. Alright friends,